Hello everyone and welcome to Computer Science 2 for the spring semester of 2024. This session is to do the course overview, which is basically going over Canvas and what you have in Canvas and the syllabus and the calendar. So this is the home page for our course in Canvas. This will show you the to-do list. Anything that you have due will show up here in this panel. Right now we have the introduce yourself discussion, graded, homework one, which is also graded, and project one. So similar to if you are coming from computer science one in LTU, the format or the structure of this course is very similar to computer science one. We're gonna have uh, projects every 3 or 4 weeks. We're gonna have homeworks every week, and we're gonna have discussions every week. So this will show me what I have due, and it will show me the to do. Then I can move to the syllabus. This is the syllabus. I can click on the syllabus. It will pop up. So this is my name. I'll be your instructor for this course. This is the semester period. This is the course type, appointment for office hours, contact via email, and allow some time for a reply. This is for like a way to prevent students from reaching out at the very last minute and expecting a reply. No excuses for being late, no excuses for submitting late homeworks. Um, this is the course title. This is the book. This is the link to the book. This is the calendar for this semester. So fall and then spring. So this will have all the important dates for your records from the beginning of the semester to the end. Prerequisites, you can go over these and read them. Objectives and description. The grading scale, 0 if submitted late or code does not work. So as a computer science 2 student, it's expected from you that you deliver workable, error-free code. You run your you write your code, right? And then you run your program, you debug it, you make sure it is working and doing what expected from it, and then you submit. The calendar for this course, we are in week one. We are going over the course overview, Visual Studio overview in case you still don't know the basics of Visual Studio. We are going to do quick review for chapter 6 to 12. Just making nothing new. These topics should not be new for you. This is just a quick refresh, uh, uh, re- qu- quick going over the topics, just for students who come from outside LTU to be on the same boat like students who came from CS1. As mentioned, you're gonna have weekly homeworks. We're gonna have projects every 4 weeks and tests every 4 weeks. So week one, week two, we have 16 weeks. And then every 4 weeks, we have a test. First 4 weeks is test one. Second 4 weeks is midterm. Then 4 weeks for test two. And then 4 weeks for final exam. You're going to see that we have 10 homeworks, 4 projects, and 4 tests in total. This is the grading procedure. So anything 96 and above is an A, 60 and under is an F. And this is the table for the assignment mapping. So we have total 100 points, 30 points on the final, 25 points on the midterm, 20 points on 2 tests, 4 projects, 2.5 each, 5 points on class participation. Since this is online, this goes to the discussion topics. 10 homeworks, 1 each. Notice final and the midterm, they have a big weight. These can lift you from an F to an A. For example, let's say you reach God forbid you reach the end of the semester right before the final exam and your grade is maybe 60 or even under 60. Let's say your grade is 55. So do not lose hope. You're not doing bad yet. You still have a chance to make up. Let's say you are at 55, which is an F, and then at the final you score 30 or 29. That will pump you all the way to 87 or 88 or 89. That brings you to B plus. So all the way from F to B plus. That's the final alone. So um, I just wanted to mention that these have a big weight on them. Also, the tests, they have 10 each. So keep that in mind. Um, go over student assessment and read it. Go over plagiarism, course policies, interaction, late work as mentioned, and the tools. These are the objectives for each modulo, university policies, and expectations of the instructor. Of course, I'm not gonna read for you, so feel free to ask me any questions if you have any questions after reading these. Then we go to the files section. In the file sections, you have a folder called Book as a PDF. It has the 9th edition, 8th edition, and the 9th edition. Right now, we are at the 10th edition. Majority of the time, I noticed that when semesters start, the book is out of stock. So in case it's out of stock, feel free to use the 9th edition that I found online for free. 9th edition and the 10th edition are very, very, very similar, especially knowledge-wise. So knowledge-wise and the chapters, they are the same. So chapter 1 is X, chapter 2 is Y, chapter 3 is Z. They are the same chapters, 9th edition and 10th edition. The difference between the 9th edition and 10th edition is like updated code and fixing some typo mistakes, um, improving the exercises or adding exercises. But the topics and the knowledge and chapters are the same. So feel free to use the 9th edition until you get a hold of the 10th edition. Course image, this is for the homepage. You have a folder for the slides. These are the presentation, PowerPoint presentation for chapters 1 through 21. Of course, we're not going to cover all the chapters in this course. This is computer science 2, so we're going to pick up from where we left CS1 and start on chapter 13. Also, you have the source code, chapter by chapter. These are the code that you find in the book. So the book has like code and text. These are the CPP files of those texts. We go to modulos. So similar to CS1, here you're gonna see one modulo for each week. So week 1 is modulo 1, week 2 is modulo 2, etc. So we go to modulo 1, for example. I'm gonna see an overview for this modulo. The reading section, what do I have to read as a student? The lectures, what do I have to watch as a student? For example, right now we have the Canvas overview, Visual Studio overview, and the chapters review. So we're reviewing chapter 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are, um, you should be familiar with these topics, and we are only going over the topics, just mentioning them to be on your list. This way, in case you see a topic that you are not familiar with, you need to know or make sure that you go over that topic. And of course, I'm here to help you. Assignments. So what do I have as a student? I have this discussion topic, which is due Saturday. I have the homework due Saturday, and I have project 1 due February 3rd, Saturday. We go to discussions. This is spend. This is what is due. Assignment section. Upcoming assignments, I can sort by type or show by type, show by date. Quizzes sections. I don't have any quizzes right now. Grades, my grade, and my fellow students in this class. So this is basically it for this session. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.